Welcome to Miracles Enterprise. Today I'll be showing us how to produce pure organic bathing soap, which you can easily produce right from the comfort of your home. So the ingredients for this soap today is palm kernel oil, which is PKO, as we all generally know. So after that, the other essential we'll be adding to it is our carrot oil and coconut oil, together with honey, which is very good for the skin, and turmeric powder. So other important oil again is shea butter, which is already melted. So this is what we'll be using for this production today. And also our light solution, which we know very well. So this light solution is activated charcoal solution, which we call potassium hydroxide, as we all know. So if today is your first time joining us in this channel, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's proceed now. So the number one thing we'll be adding to this, our mixing bowl here, is our PKO, which is very important. So after adding our PKO to the mixing bowl, then you get your stirring stick ready, as you can see. So the next thing to add is our shea butter, which is already melted. You add your melted shea butter, then you add your coconut oil. After that, you add the coconut oil, which is very important for the skin. So when you add your coconut oil, you add your carrot oil also. So the next thing after adding all these essential oils now is to add our potassium hydroxide, which is our light solution. So you add it to your mixing bowl. While you add it, you stir it immediately. So you'll be adding and stirring. As you add the light solution, you stir. So you will continue stirring to make sure you blend very well. Now the next thing to add is honey. You will now add your honey to the mixture. Add it and continue stirring again. Make sure you stir it very well. Stir till everything blend seriously. So you continue stirring. Okay, now it's time for us to add our turmeric powder, which is very good to the skin also. You can Google about turmeric powder, you know how essential it is to the skin. So you add your turmeric powder and stir it. So please don't forget to comment on this video, like, and also share to your friends. It's very important. When you add all these mixtures, the next thing to do is to stir your mixture and make sure it traces very well. So stir it seriously, stir it till it traces. As you can see now, our soap has traced up. Looking deeply in the video, you see that the soap is now like a paste. It's very thick, so it's now ready to be added to our mold. So I'll be using this takeaway plate as my mold. So this is what I'll be pouring my soap, and from there it will thicken up. So I put my takeaway down, then gradually pour my soap into the mold, where I'll cover it for it to thicken up. I'll be keeping it overnight or 24 hours latest before I'll now remove it from the mold. This soap is very good for the skin. Like as I said, you can search for the health benefit of turmeric powder, most especially our activated charcoal that we used, which is called potassium hydroxide. Is very good for the skin. So this soap will actually do wonders to the skin, give you a perfect glowing skin, remove dark spot and sunburn, and lighten up the skin also. Kindly tell me what you feel about this soap in the comment section. So I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. Thank you and God bless you. Remain blessed.